Welcome back to Dream Car. Today we're exploring something that's turning heads all over Europe, the return of a true legend. The 2026 Citroën 2CV is back, and it's been completely reimagined for the modern world while keeping the charm that made it iconic. This isn't just a reboot, it's a respectful reinvention. The look is unmistakably 2CV, but now it's cleaner, sharper, and all-electric. The rounded lines, the curvy fenders, and those signature headlights have all been preserved but redesigned with modern touches. LED lighting replaces the old halogens, the grille is smooth and sealed for better aerodynamics, and the wheels bring a retro-inspired flair with a futuristic edge. It's compact, playful, and instantly recognizable. You don't just drive this car, you make a statement with it. Inside, Citroën keeps things simple but smart. There's a floating touchscreen in the center that controls everything from navigation to entertainment, all with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in. The dashboard is minimal, with a clean digital display behind the steering wheel and just the right amount of physical controls. The seats are light, comfortable, and made with sustainable materials. There's a rollback fabric roof that gives it an open, breezy vibe, turning it into a city-friendly convertible in seconds. Storage is clever, with pockets and compartments, tucked in all the right places. The entire cabin feels like a mix of nostalgia and forward-thinking design, quiet, cozy, and honest. Underneath, the 2CV has gone fully electric. It's powered by a single motor producing 120 horsepower and a 45 kilowatt-hour battery that delivers about 220 miles of range. It's not built for speed, but it moves with surprising energy. 0 to 60 happens in just under 9 seconds, and the top speed lands around 100 miles per hour. It's light, agile, and made for daily driving with comfort and ease. Charging is quick too, with fast charging support getting you from 10 to 80% in about half an hour. The ride stays true to the 2CV legacy, soft, floaty, and ideal for absorbing bumps in the road. But now it feels tighter, safer, and more stable than ever. Citroën has priced the new 2CV starting at just $24,900. That gets you the full electric powertrain, touchscreen system, canvas roof, and digital display. Go for the top trim and you're still looking at under 30 grand. In a market where EVs are becoming more expensive and complicated, this one stays simple, fun, and surprisingly affordable. The 2026 2CV is not trying to compete with luxury, sedans, or performance EVs. It's here to remind us that driving can still be joyful, lighthearted, and accessible. It respects its roots while stepping boldly into the future. For those who want something different, something with personality, this is more than just a car. It's a revival of freedom on 4 wheels. Thanks for watching Dream Car. If you enjoyed this ride through time and innovation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you want to see next. See you in the next drive.